These are not on special. However, these are what you and I like. Interlacement Scowls had a lot of health issues this year, and I'd love to sell as much of this as I can for her. I have I don't have every color anymore because we had a good sale for open house. We certainly did. But they are what makes up this lovely coat. Here's more. And this is woven, of course, but still it's absolutely stunning. Another one. She's let me have it on consignment, but I'm thinking I'd like to save it for her as much, keep as much here as I can, because she, like I said, she had a double mastectomy. She's really been through a lot. She's about my age, so it's been rough for her. And we want to help the sisters, right? This is Mountain Colors mohair, though, but it's all American-made yarns, and I put them all on this tree to make sure people notice what quality you can get here in the States. And the price, I don't think, is prohibitive either. Mountain Colors is a lovely company to work with, too. They've been very good to me. Let me buy just what I need or want instead of pressuring me into more than I can possibly sell. So I really appreciate them helping me get my foot in the door. Colors aren't coming out near as intense as they really are. I'm seeing that on the video now. That looks pretty good in this camera. Alrighty then, next room. This is the next station. This is all Trendsetter. They've treated us very well too. I'm very proud of them. All this sparkly stuff. Well, here we go again. Somebody pulled down my entire display, I see, and it just fell. But it just makes you happy, Not. I have to have some help getting that one back up. This is one of the ones I found to be kind of interesting here. It's not the softest, but it's not the roughest. It's a Polymid 20% acrylic and 12% mohair. But I like the sheen that you get with it, and it has a lot of body to it too. So it won't just melt in and felt like a dog. I think it'll be nice. There's 50 grams, 110 yards, and it's a buy one, get one too at $9.50 retail to begin with. So we have it in red, navy, and black. I took some of that black for myself. Of course, we have the Aura. These have been good sellers with the sparkles. Very good. The mohair's excellent. This is a pretty mohair. I liked it. It's a finer one. So it just gives you just a little highlight. All of these, this one, as you can see, has a little twinkle, and so does the red. They have little sequins in them, so those are nice too. And that's what we have in this corner. In the avalanche corner. I'm so blessed. This stuff has just been blowing out the door. Everything that I have made with that sells. It's super stinking soft, so if you have somebody who needs something soft, this is the one. And it is machine washable, but I probably wouldn't do that because I think it'll keep its softness better if you don't. And it comes in a good amount of colors. We have natural, and we have the sandy color black, a taupe, a gray, white, and of course the baby blue. What's not to like? And I already have kits made up for people who like to give them as gifts. It marries up very nicely with this yarn here on the floor, which has a great deal of stretch. Get a load of this. It really does. And then this one is another good color here. That's not quite as intense as the picture's showing. It's a little deeper and flatter. You can make ear warmers. You can make this cape, this hat. The hat has been selling like crazy. Only takes one ball. And you can also get a pair of these mitts out of it if someone gets the kit. And then, of course, you and I both want one of these skirts, right? And we got leg warmers. But I made this skirt up. I called it a bun warmer. I also have it plain without the fur down here. For the mere fact, I'm tired of seeing these girls running around with their rear ends out in this cold weather. I can't hardly stand it, not to mention it hurts my eyes, some of them. Some of them look really good, but some look really bad. Now this silk ribbon yarn, this is the last of a beautiful thing. It will be gone. Once it's gone, I'll never be able to get it again. So if it's anything that interests you whatsoever, you know, just to tell me, and I'll jump through all kinds of hoops to try to make you happy. This is the samples that I had. Look at that. Isn't it incredible? I love this. I want this. That's all I have to say. I'm begging them to sell me the sample because I don't have time to make it myself. But it comes in a lot of colors. There's all these different colors down here. And what it is, it says cashmere. But it's not terribly priced. I think this takes, what, 5 balls? I'll look it up again. It's $15.99 a ball. And it has in it, let's see here. This has in it 10% polymid, 10% cashmere, 80% virgin wool. Of course, hand washed, 320 meters, 50-gram ball. Gives you an idea what to expect. This has been a real hit for a gift for people that, you know, like this kind of thing. And that is another yarn that they have. It's down here. Now, this is selling really well. And it is an organic wool with a polymid with it. And it is $8.99 skein, 165 yards. And it is, let's see here, I'm looking for the organic wool and polymid. Yeah, it's just a nice yarn. There was a teal, but no, what I have left is light gray, navy blue, in this like charcoaly brownish one. And it's really beautiful. It feels good to the touch. There's a lot of fun things here. This is a cute yarn. This is that Marrakesh I was showing you in the back room. It's a big sweater. It's all cuddly. But I see it more as a throw. There's more of that Wish, that beautiful purple one. Gorgeous. And then we have this guy down here. Was what this one is made out of. This is a interesting yarn. I see it more as an outer garment than something that you want to wear up against your body. This is a buy one, get one half off. So this one has 45 yards, 50 grams. So that'd be, well, for you, $5 a ball. We'll just do it that way. And there's nothing new in the gorgeous Malabrigo that I just sell the you-know-what out of. There's nothing else to be said about that. It's just the best. I have fur trims still left, just a few, and I have a feeling that will be the end of it. Most of these are $20 or less, and they're very long. Very long, so there's a lot of trimming you can do. Many times I'll cut this in 2 and use only half of it on the edge of a hat or something, or scarf, or a lapel. And that's probably the best of the best. The shop looked really good before everybody started tearing it apart. But here's washcloth yarn. Some people like it because it can make other things out of it. And it has a little bit of polyester in it. It keeps its color better and its shape. I think that just about does it, my friend. Any questions at all? You know what to do. Just let me know. Bye-bye, honey.